Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can access Google Docs offline. So this works both on a PC or a MacBook, but if you're using a MacBook, you have to make sure that you're using Google Chrome and not Safari. So first, let's go back to the home page of Google Docs, and then on the top left corner, you just want to click on the three dots menu, click on Settings, and then you want to turn on this option, which allows the documents to be accessible offline. Then just click OK. Then you want to go ahead and open your document, and then I'm going to turn my Wi-Fi off to show you that it works with my Wi-Fi off. And then as you can see, it says working offline, which means we can edit this document even without Wi-Fi. And then I'm going to turn back my Wi-Fi on. Then I'm going to reload this page. And as you can see, the offline changes synced into the online. And that's it. Thanks for watching.